Alright, good morning, wonderful listeners of Ghana. My name is After 14 and this is Beat FM.
Why is unhappy?
Did you get a role?
I don't want to talk about it.
Irene.
Sister Anita.
Okay, I was just asking. It's not that I want to.
Sister Anita, please! I know. You want to tell me about how being an actress is such a bad idea and what people are going to say. Thank you.
And to Anya Rono. I just want to say.
Listen, I don't care who sold my movie to you. It is my movie and you don't have the right to show it. Yes, that is what I have to tell you. Because at least if you are going to purchase for a movie, you should know who produced it. I produced it, and I produced it, and I produced it. You don't have the right to show it on your channel. Have I made myself clear?
Isn't this what you've always wanted?
Alright. Give it to Mrs. Sifa to print it. I'll get a copy and I'll read it later.
Which of the safest?
Cause the casting director. Who else? Give it to him to print it and I'll look through it.
Our lives are about to change. This is gold.
If that is what you say.
Irene, how are you?
You're good.
I'm fine. And you? Well, I have double jobs, make money, feed the both of you. I need no auditions or magical breakthrough.
Anita, what is your problem? My problem?
My problem is you, Irene. I mean, what is your business on wanting to be on TV? Huh? Can't you choose a profession like a nurse, banker, lawyer? A normal profession like any Ghanaian girl should have. Must you follow those backward outcast people who have sex and kiss on TV for fun?
Oh, so you know. Look, the fame is not the reason why I chose this line, okay? Haven't you heard of dreams, passions, and ambitions?
And where has it gotten you to, Irene? Where?
Stop.
Auditions after
Please,
auditions.
please.
And you're still
Please.
where you are.
Please. I mean, can't you for once in a very long time have peaceful breakfast like a normal family and start the day on a good foot? I mean, you're my elder sisters. I draw inspiration from you. You think always fighting about who to be this and who to be that makes me happy?
Thank you.
You think Mommy would have been happier?
Oh, please don't bring mother into this. Do you want me to remind you about how stubborn you were to her?
Dare you? Don't follow her.
You mean I shouldn't follow my dreams?
I am not saying
That is exactly what you're saying.
Mrs. Paula is here to see you.
Tell her I'm indisposed.
Not that one, sir. I mean Mrs. Paula from Heaven Multimedia.
Hey, Mr. Maxwell. What's up, Maxwell?
Hello, my friend.
Yes, hello. You cool?
Hello, friend of my friend.
Hello.
Let me take a guess. You're here for my money.
Mr. Maxwell. Well, you can say that, but then I want you to know we are here to do business with you.
By asking for my money.
Well, you can say that again.
So why would I give you my money?
Mr. Maxwell. See the script? It's a bomb. This is my script. No, point of correction. Our script. And I believe we can make a lot of money out of the script. That is why we are here today.
The last time I gave you my money, I made 20% less than you promised me. Why would I give you my money again?
This script will bring in a lot of numbers. This script is the best.
Mr. Maxwell, we would like to take full responsibility of the loss. In fact, the money went into post-productions and many more. But this time around, trust me, we'll make sure we'll all enjoy from.
I'm still not convinced, but I'm having a good day. So what do you have for me? Majid Michelle.
Yes.
Umar Krup.
And even Denzel Washington.
Denzel Washington.
Yes.
Robert De Niro.
Robert De Niro.
Hello, how are you? I'm fine. How are you too? I'm also fine,
Halima.
thank you.
Please, I need help.
Ah, so you won't even say hi or greet?
I need permission out of work.
For how long?
2 weeks.
What? Are you mad? What do you want to tell the boss?
No, tell him something. My mom is sick. Your dad is dead.
Slap it. My dad is not there, do you understand me?
But you can just make something up.
What are you actually going to do?
My script is shooting.
Ah, come on. You're what? Say it again. Huh?
Look, are you going to get the permission or not?
I'll try. Ah, come on. Hey, ah, come. How much did you say Nyantiti took the president? Eh? Hey, come on. Please come and shoot me some, eh? Hey, you are going to shoot your script.
Shoot me.